this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus when it won't load. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of Disney Plus. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Disney Plus server status, navigate to the website down detector. Now if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. Next thing you want to do is test their internet connection. Open any app or website. In case it won't load, you have network issues. For that, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode for a few seconds. Also, you can give a first restart to your router. If not, you can follow other steps. Restart your device. A full reboot can clear temporary issues affecting app loading. Next up, check for app update. Install any available updates from your device App Store or Play Store. Next, clear cache and cookies for the app. Launch settings, go to General. Click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Next up, head back. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, update your device software. An outdated operating system can prevent streaming apps from loading properly. Likewise, log out and log in back to your account. Next, completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Disney Plus app, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and install it. Likewise, check if you are connected to any VPN or ad blockers. In that case, you will need to disable it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.